Planning a getaway? Explore these top-rated day trips near Rio de Janeiro, featuring breathtaking views, cultural landmarks, and outdoor adventures for all.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Embark on an enriching guided walking tour of Rio de Janeiro's favela district. Focusing on educational experiences, this immersive journey allows visitors to gain insights into the daily lives of residents within the favela, providing a unique perspective on life in Rio de Janeiro. Begin your exploration by gathering at designated pickup points in Copacabana or Ipanema Beach. Proceed to the bustling Resina favela, where your knowledgeable local guide will lead you through the neighborhood, offering valuable knowledge about living conditions within the favela. Rio's favelas play a significant role in urban life. This tour aims to educate participants respectfully towards the local population. Benefit from convenient pickup services upon arrival at your hotel, meeting point at the São Conrado subway station, or by personal arrangement upon instruction from your certified instructor. Embark on an exhilarating journey through the lush Tijuca National Park from Pedro Bonita ramp within the park. Ascend into the skies above Rio de Janeiro. As you gain altitude, marvel at breathtaking views of iconic landmarks, such as the stunning beaches of Copacabana, Ipanema, and Leblon, along with the awe-inspiring structures of Christ the Redeemer, Sugarloaf Mountain, and the vast Guanabara Bay. Start each day with a visit to the sitio Burle Marx, the former residence of renowned landscape architect Roberto Burle Marx's site. Located in Barra de Garatiba, boasts one of the world's most extensive collections of tropical and semi-tropical plants. In addition to showcasing these unique flora, the on-site museum also exhibits artworks and crafts crafted by Burle Marx during his lifetime. Next, explore the Max Cana Cachaça distillery to understand the process behind Brazil's iconic beverage. Take a guided tour through the warehouse and observe the machinery used in production. Embark on a nocturnal journey through Lapa, the vibrant heart of Rio de Janeiro's Bohemian district, where one can immerse themselves in the rich cultural tapestry. This immersive pub crawl offers an array of experiences, from sampling authentic cachaça to witnessing live performances and enjoying electrifying beats under the pulsating lights of modern nightlife venues. Begin your adventure at a traditional cachaça establishment, where you will savor a diverse range of flavors crafted from Brazil's beloved spirit. Following this, venture towards the historic Arcos de Lapa, a landmark site renowned for its bustling atmosphere and numerous street vendors, offering a variety of culinary delights and refreshing beverages. Experience the enchanting beauty of Rio de Janeiro during a sunset sailing tour in Guanabara. By marvel at the breathtaking views of this captivating city. Admiring its stunning landscapes and iconic landmarks, enjoy an exclusive cruise aboard a comfortable vessel, where you can indulge in sumptuous meals and refreshing beverages throughout the journey. Choose between a small group tour for a more relaxed experience, or opt for a personalized excursion to enhance your enjoyment. As the sun begins to set, revel in the serene ambiance while taking in panoramic vistas of the city's skyline. Relax on deck, sipping on classic cocktails like the beloved caipirinha, savoring local delicacies, and enjoying the tranquil surroundings. Embark on an exhilarating sailboat tour through Rio de Janeiro's breathtaking landscapes, beginning at Urca, where guests will be transported aboard a luxurious sailboat. During the 3-hour journey along the picturesque Baía de Guanabara, participants will have the opportunity to indulge in refreshing caipirinhas as they learn about the rich history surrounding some of the city's most renowned vistas. Embark on an enriching guided walking tour of Rio de Janeiro's favela neighborhoods. This educational experience provides visitors with a unique insight into the daily lives of residents, offering a fresh perspective on life within the bustling metropolis. Your knowledgeable local guide will lead you through the favela, sharing invaluable insights and insider tips. By participating in this tour, you contribute to the ongoing development and well-being of the community, ensuring its future prosperity. Begin your exploration at your chosen location, whether from a hotel or Airbnb, and immerse yourself in the vibrant culture and history of Rio de Janeiro's favelas.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.